Hi, in this video we will learn how to hold the violin and bow. The easiest way to learn how to hold the bow is by first making this rabbit shape with your hand. Then get your bow, and in this space right here between the stick and hair, you're going to place your thumb in between like so. Now with the two middle fingers, you're just going to cover the black part here, which is called the frog. And with the two fingers remaining, just drop it on top of the bow so that you have a natural position. When you hold your bow, it's important to make sure that your thumb here isn't straightened and stiff like this, but it should be curled. And you should be able to see this opening, shaped as a circle, right there. And this is how you correctly hold your bow. You can practice this by using a pencil. Just imagine this as a stick and the hair on the bottom. So get your rabbit hands again and put your thumb in between. Get your two fingers to cover the frog. Your last two fingers, gently drop it on the bow to have this natural shape. Now that we got the bow, we will learn how to hold the violin. First, make sure that the shoulder rest is comfortable for you, and if it's not, you can adjust the heights on each side by using the screws here. Now, make sure that the shoulder rest is on correctly, and you can do this by remembering that it should always be in a smile shape, like that, smile. If it's not, it's going to be uncomfortable, and it might even slip off of your shoulder. So now you're going to place your violin on your shoulder, like this, and use your chin to secure the instrument, and you do this by putting your chin on the chin rest right here. You should be really relaxed, and don't try to use your shoulders to really like push up the instrument, because that's just gonna stiffen your posture. Instead, you really want to be relaxed and comfortable like this. So once you're here, you're gonna get your left hand and just make a fist on the fingerboard like this. From here, you're just gonna slowly release until that your fingers are curled and just relax naturally on your violin finger on the fingerboard. You need to remember to make sure that your thumb is hanging right above the fingerboard like this, and that it is in a comfortable position. So now that we learned how to hold the violin and the bow, we will try playing it. To review, first, if your bow is loose like this, you need to make sure you tighten it by twisting it to the right. Then get your rabbit hands and place your thumb right between the stick and the hair, like so. Then with your two fingers in the middle, cover the frog, and with the last two fingers, place it gently above this above the bow, like this. Now get your violin, secure its position by using your shoulders and chin like this. And if you remember from last video, the thickest string out of the four strings is called the G string, and we will play the G string now. So when you're not using your fingers to play other notes, you can simply hold your violin with your left hand, but since we're going to be playing other notes in the future using our fingers, we'll try to use the method we learned before to have our hands naturally holding the fingerboard. So from a fist here, naturally drop it, and naturally drop your fingers, then make sure your thumb is hanging right above the fingerboard, and just curl your fingers naturally. It doesn't really need to like lift the violin up. Just naturally let it stay. Then we're gonna play the G string again. While you're playing notes on your violin, it's really important to make sure that your violin bow hold is always consistent and maintained in this position, in this correct position. So in this video, we learned how to hold the violin and bow, and in the next video, we will learn we will discover the different notes we can play by using our fingers. Thank you.